It has been truly inspiring to spend time together at the Critical Thinking in Action workshop in Croatia. It has shown us that it is possible to bring bright minds together, and when those minds come together with curiosity, energy, and teamwork, everything is possible. At CROMed-USA, or Croatian American Medical Alliance, we believe that by uniting countries, disciplines, and generations, we can build a foundation for a healthier future.
The CROMed people did a great job of bringing in some quality materials to do the workshops. What do I mean by that? They had small things like intravenous catheters, Foley catheters, tools and tricks that you need to learn, but with good equipment, you're able to simulate things like breath sounds or heart sounds, even do intubation, and those make it much more realistic. So when you get quality material with great teachers, you get a great workshop, which gets the students involved and helps to advance their skill set.
So there were a lot of valuable things to learn. Probably it's the mindset to keep learning, to be curious, to explore some fields that you never touched or some fields you know, but you want to learn more something about that. So I think the mindset and the curiosity for the medicine and the human body is like something that I will bring back home from this.
The most valuable thing I've learned in this workshop was to be curious and to be open-minded to new connections and new people. This workshop changed how I think about clinical reasoning and about patients in a way that I've learned to be more critical and to be more direct when making my working diagnosis and to direct my clinical testing towards that diagnosis, but also not to exclude other possible differentials.
I've been very pleasantly surprised by the students. They've shown tremendous enthusiasm. They've shown a willingness and openness to learn, to new ideas. You see a thirst for knowledge and a love for medicine, and they truly want to be better. And that makes me very proud, and I'm very happy to perhaps contribute to improving their skills, their knowledge, so that they can be better physicians and take care of Croatians in a better and more meaningful way.
Collaboration, bringing people together from different countries, different backgrounds, different levels of experience. When everybody gets together and shares something that they're passionate about, you have a good thing.
This is just a beginning. And together we can reimagine what medicine education can be. I want to thank everyone who took part in this workshop and has been part of this vision. And I look forward to continuing our journey together towards a healthier future.